disabilities. Other disabilities also has to get justice. It is the duty of the state. State means central government or state government. That is Article 39A. Then come to other statutes. The legal aid, the right to get legal aid is also recognized in other statutes like Criminal Procedure Code. If you see section 304 of Code of Criminal Procedure, it also recognizes how you see if the accused does not have sufficient means to engage a lawyer, the court must provide one for the defense of the accused at the expense of the state. 304 says. So statute recognizing this free legal aid concept, even it is the duty of the judges and the courts. In Sunil Batra case, I think Supreme Court stated that police and courts should inform the accused that he is entitled to get free legal aid. If you take Khatri 2 versus State of Bihar case, 1981, 1 SCC, what is that had? The constitutional duty to provide legal aid arises from the time the accused is produced before the magistrate for the first time. So what is the starting time to get free legal aid? That is when the accused produced before the magistrate for first time, he is entitled. Then onwards he is entitled to get free legal aid. This is one aspect. And continues whenever he is produced for remand. So it continues whenever he is produced for remand. So it is also a question. At what time free legal aid can be given? Up to what time free legal aid can be given? So this is clearly this Khatri 2 judgment given clarification. Come to Haskot, MH Haskot versus State of Maharashtra. A person entitled to appeal against his or her sentence has the right to ask for a counsel to prepare and argue the appeal. So MH Haskot case deals with the legal aid at the time of appeal. So from the beginning, even at the time of arrest also, from the time of arrest also, he is entitled to get free legal aid. So from the time of arrest to appeal, he is entitled. So regarding appeal, this MH Haskot has given. In Sheila Barse case, the police must inform the nearest legal aid committee about the arrest of a person immediately after such arrest. So this is regarding Sheila Barse case. You know that magistrate and judges are having bounden duty to inform. What happens if free legal aid has not been given? That means failure to give such a free legal aid, it vitiates the trial. So even the sentence may be set aside. Even the sentence may be set aside. So this is the very important aspect of the free legal aid. So in Sukadas versus Union Territory of Arunachal Pradesh, 1986 to SCC 401, failure to provide legal aid to an indigent accused unless it was refused would vitiate the trial. It might even result in setting aside a conviction and sentence. So this is Sukadas case. We must mention this case because it is very important even in practice also. So that is. Then come to what is the services offered through legal aid. Which services can be offered? That means payment of court and other process fee, payment of court and other process fee, charges for preparing, drafting and filing of any legal proceedings, charges of a legal practitioner or legal advisor, Costs of obtaining decrees, judgments, orders or any other documents in a legal processing. Costs of paperwork including printing, translation, etc. So all these are the services available under the legal aid scheme. You know that after 1987 we have an act called Legal Services Authority Act 1987. Section 12 provides the services of legal aid. So now it is a statutory right also. So these are the services offered under the scheme. Who is entitled for free legal aid? We have two types of methods to get legal aid. One is means test, another one is merits test. In other countries, normally it is only means test. What is the meaning of means test? Means test means economic position. Based on affordability, based on their financial position, free legal service will be available. That is called means test. But in India, for some of the people, other than this means test, also some category people can get free legal aid. That means irrespective of their financial position, they are eligible to get free legal aid. Like people belongs to women, children, victims of trafficking or sexual harassment, scheduled caste people, disabled including mentally disabled, woman or child, mass disaster, ethnic violence, like all these members. Irrespective of their financial position, they can approach. So who is entitled for legal aid also we have to mention. So these are the regarding legal aid. So what is the idea behind giving this question by the High Court is that we must have an idea about the judicial system, challenges before judicial system, how the judiciary as well as state is providing remedies for these problems and challenges. If you observe the Legal Service Authority Act and observe the statement given by our honorable judges, recently our CJI told that right to get free legal aid is a bedrock of rule of law. We must hear these words. What is the meaning of bedrock of rule of law? Bedrock means a strong support, just like a backbone. So, rule of law is a very important concept. It is our essence of our democracy. It is prevailed in our country. So, this free legal aid system is bedrock of our rule of law according to Justice N.V. Ramana garu. Then coming to as an executive chairman of this NALSA, the Honorable Chief Justice of India has given some of the statistics how this Legal Service Authority, how this legal aid is working through legal aid clinics or legal aid committees, like that. You know that in all levels, taluka level, district level, state level, these legal aid committees are there, and clubs also there, clinics also there. According to the latest statistics, during, during the period of November 2019 to February 2021, 2.35 lakh awareness programs were organized, which are attended by more than 3.02 crore persons. So, 3.02 crore persons attended for legal awareness camps. In the year 2020, approximately 15.69 lakh women participated in outreach programs. 2.71 lakh tribal people attended the legal outreach program. Around 27.2 lakh children were reached through legal service outreach tools. So these are the statistics. These are the contribution. More than 10 lakh people were provided legal assistance during the period from November 2019 to February 2021 through legal service clinics. We have to hear the word legal service clinics, paralegal volunteer system. There are several schemes. You have to mention all these things in your essay. So this is regarding legal aid concept. Of course, the concept of Lok Adalat is also a part of Legal Service Authority Act. Every time they are conducting national mega legal Lok Adalats and like that. So all these are the concepts of legal aid. So finally, we have to understand that free legal aid is a basic human right. Access to justice also a basic human right. These are all settled concepts. So you have to write these judgments. I have mentioned several judgments. You have to quote all these judgments and what exactly the court held and what is the position in international level, in India, before after commencement of the Constitution of India, and you have to give important case laws, quotations. Even you can quote the Gandhian dictum, what Gandhi said. You have to look for everything about a weaker man, weakest person. You have to look about a weakest person to understand how your scheme, how your service is being utilized. So for everything you have to keep in mind about a weakest person. Whether your action is useful to him, whether your action serves his purpose, then only you have to understand that justice is done. So delay in justice, not having fair trial, not having equal opportunity, not having easy accessible, that means nearby, all these are the concepts included in access to justice as well as free legal aid. So free legal aid also can be rejected to certain people, can be withdrawn to certain situations. So all these are you easily can get through Legal Service Authority Act. Only to throw a light and to make easy the concept, I am giving these lectures. So this is about access to justice and free legal aid. If you have any doubts, we will discuss for a few minutes, then we will close. Okay friends, there may be a class after few days for some difficult topic. It may be free access to justice and free legal aid may be a easy concept, but there are other several concepts which are difficult to gather material and as well as understanding. We will come with that concept after 1 week. Goodbye. Bye. Thank you, one and all.
Sir, mostly, sir, ఒక question, sir.
What, sir?
ఒక చిన్న doubt, sir. సో మోస్ట్లీ కరెంట్లీ ట్రెండింగ్ టాపిక్స్ మీద ఎస్ఏ రాయమని ఇస్తారా, లేకపోతే ఇది కంపల్సరీ స్టూడెంట్స్ కి తెలిసి ఉండాలి అన్న బేసిస్ మీద?
అట్లా ఏమన్నదండి, ఇట్ షుడ్ బి రిలేటెడ్ టు జుడిషియల్ సిస్టమ్. ఇట్ మే బి జెండర్ జస్టిస్, ఇట్ మే బి ఈ కోర్ట్స్, ఇట్ మే బి లోక్ అదాలత్స్. Normally related to adjudicatory system, challenging system, pendency of cases. You know that some question what is the use of technology in speedy disposal of the cases? What is the alternative dispute mechanism? You know, arbitration. There are several concepts related to judicial system. So this is the area which we can expect. So how to write simple sentences, how to use phrases and verbs, all these things we will discuss on some other class. Okay, you have to read newspapers, you have to read legal articles, you have to read legal journals, and you have to write also. Not only just read, you have to write important sentences, important paragraphs to make easy to reproduce the same in exam. Otherwise, if there is no practice, it is maybe we can think that it is very easy, we know the concept. Knowing of the concept is different. Reproduction is important, presentation is important. The judge has to understand that you know the concept and subject. How he will understand unless you write in a simple and beautiful manner with informative. So information is important as well as communication is also important. It should be communicated in a proper way, in a simple way, in a beautiful way. You have to write simple sentences by using phrasal verbs, phrases and verbs, and English maxims, English idioms and phrases, legal maxims. All this is a skill you have to present in the exam. Okay. Any more questions?
When can we expect the JSO results?
Yeah, how can we say? But there are rumors within 1 week, 10 days, 15 days, any short. How can we? Process is going.
Okay. Thank you.
Right. Okay.
Thank you.
Right. Thank you.